Don't dwell on something, because honestly, you can be missing out on blessings, sitting in turmoil from something that was not meant for you, and being angry at something that was not meant for you. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm, if you don't already know. Before we get into this video, be sure you click that subscribe button and follow all of my social media, which I'll have linked down below and somewhere on this video. Alright guys, as I promised for a motivational Monday, I am still going to upload this video. Since I'm late, I'm gonna upload a video for tomorrow, as well as the Wednesday motivation video that I'm supposed to upload. So if you see me in the same thing for like 3 videos straight, I'm busy, okay? Because I gotta get this content out to y'all. Like, I have to stay on track of my goals, you know? Anyways, let's just start. Last week we talked about social media, wearing your heart at your fingertips, on your sleeve, putting all your business out there. Initially, I wanted to talk about power, so that is what we're going to be talking about this week. You guys, if you are new to this channel, I will tell you a lot. I hate to tell you, but it be the truth. And sometimes I hate to tell myself. So if you hear me say it, just be alright. Okay, I have been reading a book called 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do. Now, I have read this book about 3 times since I've got it. Like, look at my book. Like, look at all the bookmarks that I have. Like, there's so much do you see the highlighting? So much highlighting, because I feel like when you read it, here we go with the sirens. 1 second, I live in Chicago. Anyways, I feel like when you read a book, the first time you read it, you don't necessarily grasp everything that you're supposed to grasp. So this is my 3rd time reading it, and I got stuck again on the 2nd chapter in the book. It's the 2nd chapter, right? Yes, the 2nd chapter, and it's called They Don't Give Away Their Power. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about power. A lot of people, including myself, we don't know how much power we truly have. Like, I can't even say we belittle ourselves, but we don't put ourselves here when we're like, I'm just trying to show y'all that we're up here, okay? We don't put ourselves up here, and we kind of level it out, you know, or think mediocre of ourselves. Gotta stop. When I say we give away our power, I mean we empower them to take power over us. A lot of situations where we become angry, we feel like it should have been, it could be justified, or we got so much reasoning behind it, which I mean we probably do, but at the same token, you don't even know that you've just given someone your power, and it didn't even have to be that, honestly. When you empower people to have power over you, when it's time to get criticized, you take it to heart. Don't. It don't even have to be just take it, cool, that's what you think. Okay, that's nice. You can either work on it, or you can keep it pushing and not care. Don't take what they said to heart. Like some of the influencers that I see, when you get criticized on a product, let's just speak with the beauty community. When you get criticized on a product that you create, it's like you go and shelter yourself in a shell and you just shut down all your social media. Now, I don't know if some of y'all are running for attention or if you are truly hurt. Don't give us, the consumer, the power over how you feel. Because, yeah, there's that group of people that are gonna, okay, yeah, that was trash. Yes, it's just not do that anymore. Don't let them just stop you from doing anything. Don't let 20 people or don't let 5,000 comments tell you, fuck this, I'm not even finna do this no more. I'm not uploading for them. They're so horrible. You're doing this for you, honey. You're not doing this for us. This is your happy place. You like that product? To hell with what we say. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, this is the point in the book where it stuck to me and I actually highlighted it. It says, you allow other people to have the ability to make you feel so angry to the point where you say things that you later on regret. I still struggle with this. I'm not coming on camera to you guys like I'm just some perfect person and this is what you need to do to get right. That's not why I'm on this camera. I still struggle with this because I am a forgiving person. I feel like I'm the nicest person ever. And I have this thing with humans and I want to love everybody. Like, I just want to help you. I want to try to be there. Just hug me. And then when you hurt me, it's like I can let you do it over and over, but it's so many times that you can poke a balloon and it pops, or you can mess with a volcano and it erupts. And when I say I'm a volcano that erupts when angered or whatever it is, it's bad. And it's honestly something that I can honestly say that I'm getting better with, because I could actually stop my mom sometimes in her tracks when she gets angered at like so little things, and I could just be like, don't give me your power. It's not even worth it. She's just like, you know what? You're right. And my sister would even tell me the same things, like, it's not worth it. Don't give them your power. So I'm really working on that. But that one really stuck out to me. You guys, I understand that most of us, especially coming from a suicidal, depressive, postpartum. I've had postpartum for quite a while. I don't have it anymore. Anxiety, anything, like I said, that falls into that tree, we tend to be the most caring people. So when you hurt us, it's like you done pissed us off, and like, we're nice and now we're about to erupt. And see, the thing with that, when you gave them that power, you know you didn't do anything wrong. They know they did something wrong. But the moment you give them power and you erupt, they will take the things you said to the grave. What? Flip it around. It's your fault. Why did you say those hateful things? Why would you say that? Why would you? Know what I'm saying? Y'all get it. So, that is having someone have power over you. When you can wake up in the morning and you can be in the happiest mood, but as soon as you get to work, this is just for example, because I love my job. Can't nobody at my job irritate me, because I do not care. Goodbye. I'm out of here at 3. Bye. But you can wake up in the morning and you could be rolled over right side of the bed. The sun is shining. Yes, I just want to smell the sunflowers. Let me put on my favorite perfume. I'm gonna do my makeup. And then somebody could text you and they could say some off the wall stuff like they already having a horrible day, and then they just want to bring that hot mess on over to your phone and let me just drop everything down on you. And you just went from sunshine, rainbows, and sunflowers to, okay, I'm a cactus. I'm an aloe vera plant. I don't have time for this. Like, your mood shifted because they said the wrong thing to you. Don't give them that power. It's not even worth it. I would look at that text message. Y'all know my phone be on D&D like 98% of the time. I would look at that text message and I'd be blue for not even 2 seconds. I just, what? Anyways, next, carrying on, because I don't have time. You get it? Cut them off. Leave them on red. This is a big one. And I'm not a grudge holder. I wouldn't say per se. You know what? I don't hold grudges. But when you do something that rubs me the wrong way, I don't mess with you. I'm not going to give you my power. You cut off. That's just that. But this is a big one. And I feel like a lot of people harbor this in, and I call it malice because I used to do it. You hold a grudge when people wrong you or hurt you. And I hate to tell us, but this is giving someone our power. It kind of ties in having other people give you that ability to make you angry to where you say mean or hateful things. Like I said, when you do that, they'll flip it around and now you're super irritated. And with this one, someone can hurt you and you can live under that hurt for, it depends on the person. It could be weeks, days, months, it could be years. Let me tell y'all something that you are going to hate me for. And I'm only telling you this because I care and I want to be there. If you don't have nobody to talk to, listen to me. When we hold grudges or we stay angry with someone for so long, I hate to tell us, the world is selfish. I'm probably going to say that in every video. They don't care. You crying, you at home, you alone, you're mad, you're sad, you're hurt, you're angry, you want to do bad things, you want to probably harm yourself. And the worst reality that I had to realize was that people didn't care. I can sit in my room for weeks or for months or for days while dwindling on that person that has hurt me, and they don't care. I hate to tell us, they are living their life while they hold power over us because they hurt us and we feel some type of way. They're living their life. That's like the harsh reality of things. I'm sorry, my nose itch. Yeah, my earring back. I think it's to this earring, but that's the harsh reality of things. Is I don't know who gonna tell you, but I'm gonna be the first to tell you that as much as we say people hurt us or to get out of a bad breakup, and I mean not all the time, but that person does not care. And while we're sitting around moping around, they're living their life. Don't be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 103 saying, well, the reason that I'm like this is because of you. Why did you give that person that much power for that long? Baby, you're 60 now. Who knows how old they are? They lived their life. They done went on trips, everything. They done did everything. And you sat here moping around because this one person out of a billion hurt your feelings. Or honestly, because I've had family hurt me too. That hurts. It sucks. You are, I mean, honestly, let's just put it this way. You could take 50 people and say these 50 people, sorry, I spit. You could say these 50 people have hurt me. There's still a billion people in the world. You want to be my friend? Let me know. I won't hurt you. There's people actually out there like that. So don't give away your power in situations where it's not needed. And honestly, unless it's coming from a good space, someone here to uplift you, you in whatever religion you're in, praying to whatever higher power you pray to, they do not deserve a lick of your power. It's not even worth it. Honestly, at this point, the only person who's going to get a little bit of my power is my daughter. That's it. And a lot of people are becoming irritated with me that I am turning over a new leaf. You cannot upset me. If I do get upset, it's for a second and you will never see it. Moving on. Next. Bye. I'm not about to dwell on a situation. Okay, tomorrow's a new day. Yesterday was a little bit too heavy for me, but I'm about to start fresh today. And I'm not about to carry that shit from yesterday here. Yeah, no. Tomorrow has its own worries, honey. I'm off that. And that's just how I am learning to deal with things. Don't have this I don't care, I don't give a F-U-C-K attitude, but just calmly tell yourself, like, is it worth it? Is it really worth it? Probably gonna be happy tomorrow. Don't care. You know what? God bless you. Thank you. I'm moving forward. Sucks that it had to happen this way. Feelings are, your feelings can be hurt. It's okay, but don't give them power. Feelings a little hurt. Go meditate. Go talk. Go on that fake social media page I told you to create. Take out your journal. Write. And move on. Don't dwell on something, because honestly, you can be missing out on blessings. Sitting in turmoil from something that was not meant for you, and being angry at something that was not meant for you. That is pretty much all I had for today's Motivational Monday. I really hope you guys liked this video. I try my hardest not to do jump cuts because I want these videos to be as raw as possible, but I do want to hopefully become bigger than, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm gonna make boo-boos, and some of the jump cuts that you see, your girl was stuck and she didn't really know what to say. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I couldn't get it out to you this morning, but I'm a mom and I was so exhausted last night, and I had to go to work today. Like, I was so tired, and I'm about to edit this for y'all today so it could go up tonight, even if you had to watch it in the morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Promise, Wednesday, bright and early. We in here, period. Okay, see you guys.